Hey, y'all, this be your boy Scotty by Nature TV, and we're here for a brand new episode of Yes for the Mess, where we talk about celebrity gossip, hot topics, and all things reality TV based. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful Friday, and I intend on doing the exact same thing. What's going on? Now, before we get into today's mess, let's talk about what we got coming up on the platform. Now, be sure to be on the lookout for the Whether You Like It or Not Summer House Martha's Vineyard Edition panel. It will be on Busy Blues platform this Monday, so make sure you guys tune in. Whenever the link is available, I will have it in the Whether You Like It or Not playlist, and I definitely will have it out here ready for you guys to click on it and set your reminders and all that good stuff. So be on the lookout for that. And that is pretty much all that we got for the church announcements for today. So let's go ahead and get into this mess. We're going to get into this really, really quickly, and then we're going to be up out of here because I do have to go to the airport. So let's get into it. So this is Love and Marriage Transville T. I hate this damn graphic, but I just did what I could. But this is Love and Marriage Transville T, and it's mainly talking about the court documents that have come out in regards to Melody Shari Rogers and Martell Holt. Okay, and I think this has a lot to do with the child, with the custody battle, custody case or whatever. Um, so in this post, because I was tagged in this post by a couple of people, but in this post that it was basically talking about how the post is not in a way to exploit children or receiving any horrendous acts, but to bring awareness to the alleged abuse. Child abuse is a serious offense that shouldn't be ignored or taken lightly, but we hope to see several outlets address this behavior, starting first with Dr. Heavenly and Carlos King. Well, honey, you ain't gonna never see Dr. Heavenly nor Carlos King talk about this on their page. So you'll just be waiting, child, because Carlos King is way too busy talking about Bravo related shit and not the bullshit that's going on with the men on his show or the bullshit that's going on his own show at all. So yeah, you could just sit there and wait on that. I'm just saying. You could just sit there and wait on that because it ain't shit happening with that at all. So I don't want to look at everything. I just want to go into all of the details of the situation, and just so we can see everything. Okay, so we can talk about it as we go. So here are the documents. I'm gonna read them to you guys just in case y'all can't see them. So let's go ahead and get into it because, like I said, I skipped some things. I just want to get to the meat of everything. So one of the things says it's number 5, and it says that since the entry of the final judgment of divorce on in September the 6th, 2022, order, the father has willfully violated the above provision by allowing his paramour to make disparaging remarks about the mother. The father has shown the minor children videos of their mother on dates with other men and making inappropriate comments about the video to minor children. The father continues to disseminate information to bloggers, okay, concerning the previous custody case, therefore placing the minor children in the middle of the parties' disputes and litigation. The father continues to use corporal punishment that is excessive and abusive to the minor children, including but limited to choking, grabbing, punching the minor son, hitting all the children, pulling and twisting them. The father has refused to follow the court order as he stopped therapy between him and his minor son. Garbage, just terrible. Like Martell, look, the thing about it is, I'm not surprised by the fact that that's what he does because I've always said that Martell gives abusive. I've always said that. Always said that. And I think I said before that I wouldn't be surprised if Mel ever endured anything abusive when it comes down to Martell. And I stand by that because he gives abusive all day. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to the number 6. The father's actions are contemptuous in nature, should be punished accordingly. It is clear by the father's actions that he has no intention on complying with any of the orders of this honorable court, and the mother requests that the father be found in civil and criminal contempt for willful disregard of the court's previous orders, or in the alternative that this may be set for the hearing and the father be ordered to appear and show, because he should not be held in criminal or civil contempt of court for his violations of this court's order referenced above. Number 7, the mother has incurred attorney's fees and costs in the pleading and proof of this petition for rule and would request that the father be ordered to pay the same. And oops, wait a minute. And she should be given such other and further and indifferent relief to which she may be entitled under the circumstances. Okay. Now, here we are. They're talking about comes now. The mother Melody Cherie Rogers. Um by and through his attorney of record, Kentisha Matthews, in having filed his petition for rule, states that the following separately and severally in support of her petition for modification against the defendant Martell L. Holt. Number 8, the mother realleges paragraphs 1 through 6 as if set out in full. Okay. Number 9, that since the entry of the final judgment of divorce and the subsequent modification order, there had been material changes in circumstances that are substantial and warrant a modification of legal custody of the minor child and the visitation schedule set forth by the father. All right. Since the entry of the final judgment of divorce, the father has exhibited behavior that has been negligent and unstable. He has shown a lack of proper parenting when it comes to his care for the minor children during his custodial times, and the father continues to cause mental and emotional abuse to the minor children. Such behavior by the father has caused the mother to have concern for the children's health and well being. Specifically, the father has moved multiple times in a short period of time and now wants to uproot the children from the school system. The parties agree for them to attend so that the children can attend school in his new school district. Moreover, the father continues to make threats to the minor children, such as he would knock them out or direct an abusive language toward them with the intent of alarming the minor children and causing mental and emotional injury to them. The father continues to incorporate corporal punishment on the minor children that they only want to see their father if he will stop hitting them. The father does not provide adequate care for the minor children during his custodial periods. The father has asked the mother to deliver food to his house while the minor children was there. The father does not take pride in the minor children's appearance in public. More specifically, he refuses to comb and brush his daughter's hair. That the final the father, I'm sorry, oh my god, the father constantly has the minor children around his, I guess, his, baby mama, who is threatening the mother and allows for her daughter to bully and taunt the minor children of the father. The mother fears that continued contact between the children and the father's mistress will cause confusion and emotional distress for the minor children. Additionally, the father's promiscuity was an issue during the divorce, and the mother then said that she was concerned for the children's moral well-being while in the father's care. The mother is concerned about the mental stability of the father as he continues to relocate, violate previous court orders, in addition to threaten and distribute a sex tape that the parties created during their marriage. The father says it is in the best interest of the children for her to have sole legal custody. Furthermore, the mother fears for the safety and welfare of the minor children and says that it is in the best interest of the minor children for the father's visitation to be restricted to daytime visits only with no overnight visitation until such time as the father enrolls in therapy and anger management. The modification order entered on February the 28th, 2023 provides the following. The minor children shall not participate to be or be filmed for television or any other social media platform without leave of court until the children reach the age of majority. That since the entry of final judgment of divorce and the subsequent modification order, there had been material changes in circumstances that are substantial and warrant a modification of the restriction of the children being on social media and being filmed. Since said one since said order, the mother has not been able to share memorable moments and milestones with the vast majority of family and friends or Mother's Day posts. So what I get from this whole thing is that Martell is negligent. The children are not happy being around him. Not only are the children not happy with being around him, but they're not happy being around Ariane. Ariane is a menace to society as well. I think if I'm if I was reading the documents right, they were saying that Ariana's oldest daughter, I don't want to say her name, but her oldest daughter was bullying the younger kids and being Angelica Pickles to the damn kids and shit like that. So it just looks like everything that Mel has said in regards to Martell. Well, she really don't be saying it over the internet. It's mainly Martell trying to prove his case and prove that he's such a great father and shit like that. But according to these court documents, everything that other people have said about him, as far as him being a dad, is basically true. He's not the best father. He doesn't know how to be one, and he's not stable. He doesn't really have many places to live, many places to go, many things to do. And it looks terrible for him at this particular moment. It really does. And he ain't really got nobody to blame but his damn self, if you really want me to be honest with you. Like, he ain't got nobody to blame but himself. You know what I'm saying? And it's probably gonna get worse. And with these documents coming out, I'm pretty sure with them still filming this new season of Love and Marriage Huntsville, this shit gonna come out on the show and they're gonna blame the bloggers for the bullshit. That's basically what's gonna happen. So I guess that's all I really got on this. I know there'll be more details about this case and other things in regards to Melody and Martell, especially with Love and Marriage Huntsville coming back next week, which I will be reviewing. So make sure you guys tune in to that. But that's pretty much all that I have for this. So before we get up out of here, be sure to pre-order Tremel's new single. It's called The Everything Remix featuring Rico with a K. Make sure you guys pick it up. Also, Carl, stage name K-Star, he has a new single out called Cock Goblin, which is available now. And Bando has a new record out called The Nasty Remix featuring Tay G, Alonda the Blonde, and the Hood Host, and it is available now. So with that being said, this be your boy Scotty by Nature TV. Be sure to like, rate, comment, subscribe, share this video, and also click on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever a video drops. And if you want to follow me on any form of social media, my Twitter, my Instagram, and my TikTok will be down below. With that being said, y'all, your boys up out here. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Ciao.
What's up, everyone? It is Darius asking you to check out my newest children's book, DJ Stands on Business. Follow along as 5 friends who are entrepreneurs by the name of Pixel, Raven, a dynamic duo we can learn, and a children's book author named DJ use their entrepreneurial spirit to save money to go on a trip to Mexico. So follow along as children can learn about terms that teach them about entrepreneurship and give them the opportunity to open up the world in the adventures of friendship and entrepreneurship. You can check out my children's book, DJ Stands on Business, as well as DJ's Favorite Day and Twinkle Little Star at www.kingdariusbooks.com.